Alright, so there it is. Rain in the Philippines. We're in Puerto Galera. And this is where a lot of tourists come for the biodiversity, marine life. According to UNESCO, this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in biodiversity due to the marine life. And right now we're about in the low season. So we're getting a good bit of rain. Rain comes every now and again. Early today when I was out, lots of rain came in. I had to take my umbrella out. Right now it's about 5:34 p.m. and it's Friday the 13th, 2019. So it's raining here in Puerto Galera. And that boat right over there, that's the same boat I came in on yesterday. And the dock side of the Mullet Pole, M-U-E-L-L-E, the Mullet Pole. And the tourists pay 50 pesos, about $1 for environmental fees, similar to what you have in Boracay, where they messed up that island and President Duterte ordered it closed down, and now I heard it's fixed up and functioning much better, and of course they limit the amount of people who go in, which is much better. You know, only so many people can go in a day, so you have to produce your documents to get in there before you set foot on Boracay. Okay. Now tomorrow, I guess I'm going to walk toward the north side. I already walked toward the east. I walked toward the south. And today I also walked toward the west. So yesterday I walked toward the south. Today I did the same. So I'm going to see what's on the north side of this island and take some video while I'm at it.